Hi, I'm Isidore and I'm building something that could change how you approach every part of your life. Life Structures is a personal development course designed to help you succeed in every domain of life. I built this course for ambitious individuals who want real results, not empty promises. It's a structured, mechanics based system that helps you master the fundamentals of success fast. With life structures, you will learn how to talk with charisma to blend in with influential groups, land the job you really want quickly, find your ideal partner, take action and stay effective under pressure, make the right decisions every time, use your intuition at the right time, enhance intelligence, and stay ahead of others. I created life structures because I believe success shouldn't be left to chance. The course is designed to shape you into a significantly more well rounded individual than most people today. Your support makes this possible. It helps fund website development and user experience design, video production, digital infrastructure, marketing and outreach, tools and equipment, subscriptions and platform costs. Backers get early access, a preview of Life Structures ebook, bonuses, live sessions, and access to an insider network of driven individuals just like you. If you ever wanted to elevate your life with right direction, structure, and real results, this is your moment. Back Life Structures on Kickstarter.